Well, I think it's time for another action camera review. Hello friends, today I'm going to be unboxing this Campark x40 action camera. Now this action camera has a 4K resolution, plus it has dual screens, plus touchscreen. Unlike the Campark x35, it did not. So let's see what this $150 bad boy can do. But before that, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let's start unboxing our new action camera. Wow, this also comes with a lot of amazing accessories. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries, and you might not be waiting for this, but it also comes with a clip-on microphone. This is pretty amazing. I mean, can you believe an action camera that comes with a microphone? No way. It also comes with this remote control type watch. You just wear it on your wrist, and there you see these are the 2 buttons. The photo taking button and the video taking button. This is for the action camera, so you can just wear it on your wrist. This is pretty awesome as well, and I hope that the camera is as good as the accessories. So let's find out. This is one of our clamping accessories, so you just need to clamp it on here. Same goes with this one as well. Over here we have these 3 straps, like this is our Velcro, and these are 2 more straps. This is the cleaning cloth, so you can clean the action camera. These are 2 adhesive double-sided tape. These, on the other hand, this is our strap to hold the action camera better so it does not fall out of your hands. And these are 3 ties, so you just need to tie the wire or something, which is good that they have included because most brands don't. And this is our clamping accessory, so this goes with this and this and this. Like these, there are a lot of clamping accessories. This is our handlebar clamping accessory, so you just need to clamp the handlebar inside. This is the waterproof case so that the camera can go underwater and nothing will happen to it. This is a good save for it. This is our extra lid for our waterproof case. This is needed if it breaks somewhere. This is good. This is our clip-on microphone. This is pretty awesome. You need to put this into the action camera. it for you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see the best settings and what the recommendations on the Campark x40, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe with notifications turned on all. And also drop a comment down below whether if you like the Campark x40 or not. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya!